हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू सेफ केस इंटीरियर। सो दिस इज़ अनदर फ्लैट जो हमने अभी रिसेंटली कंप्लीट किया। ये ऊपर लोकेशन में है। इट इज़ ए 3 बेडरूम यूनिट एंड द सोसाइटी नेम इज NSL ईस्ट काउंटी। सो दिस इज 3 बेडरूम 3 बाथ अपार्टमेंट। तो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द इंटीरियर्स नाउ एंड मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ। ये लिविंग एरिया है जहाँ पे हमने फॉल सीलिंग किया है विद प्रोफाइल LED लाइट ऑफ द कंप्लीट हॉल एंड डाइनिंग एरिया। TV unit very simple, elegant, so they can do the wall mounting and नीचे storage है. Now walking down, this is the dining area and this is the balcony view of the property. All open, very beautiful view. That is the stadium. एक छोटा कैबिनेट हमने दिया just for multi-purpose. They want to use something. Now let's go to the kitchen. So before the kitchen we have the puja unit. So this is the puja room where we have done the glass door, and under me we have the puja unit with cabinets and drawers. Simple. And right side we have the utility. So हमने small cabinet दे दिया. And this is the kitchen, full-fledged kitchen with lot of storage. सिंक एरिया, सिंक के ऊपर में यू कैन सी दिस इज़ फॉर वाटर प्योरीफायर एंड राइट साइड में ऑल स्टोरेज विथ सॉफ्ट क्लोजिंग। चिमनी इज इंस्टॉल्ड। हमने यहाँ पे अगेन टैंडम बास्केट दिया है। तो इफ आई शो दिस इज ऑल टैंडम एंड एल शेप प्लेटफॉर्म है, एल शेप किचन है एंड again lot of storage from for any family to use the kitchen. ये refrigerator area है, so you can put your refrigerator here, all in white color. Now moving on from kitchen, this is the passage which leads up to the master bedroom. ये master bedroom है with we have given 5 doors, so 2 full cabinets and 1 single door cabinet with only shelf. ये study area है where we have given drawers and 2 shelves to keep anything. Let me open one of the cabinets and show you. Cabinet with only shelf. This is again a cabinet. So given long hanger for shirts and coats and a drawer, and this is for female. Again for sarees there are additional storage and there is a long drawer with lock. That is complete. This is the washroom, geysers and everything installed, and we have even installed an AC here. Now moving from master bedroom we will go to the kids room. So this is the hall and यहाँ पे we have given a simple mirror. Wash basin was given by the builder. This is the guest bedroom, and in the guest bedroom we have given the sliding wardrobes. So you can see, मैं आपको ओपन करके दिखाता हूँ how does it look like. Again it's a male and a female version. So this is the female wardrobe with short hangers and a soft closing of the sliding is there, and this is the male wardrobe with a long hanger and again a soft closing is there for the sliding. So आप जितना भी जोर से पुश करें it will hold it. Now moving in from here to the kids bedroom. Kids bedroom has a bay window which is very beautiful. ये बहुत पसंद आया to sit here and get the complete view of the city. So this is how it looks like, and this is the wardrobe in the kids bedroom. 2 full wardrobe, again under it is the same what you have seen in others. Thank you for watching my video. This is from the interior point of view. थैंक यू।